Please watch this video and tell me what this guy is talking about. Watch this video.
Black Africans were not always on this earth. At some point in history, there were no black people at all. And I will tell you why. How come every single invention that we are using right now was all invented by white people? Think about it. Planes, cars, trains, smartphones, laptops, all invented by white people. If white people and black people were on the earth at the same time, why did black people not invent anything? Why was everything invented by white people? I have a strong belief that everything that we've been taught in school is a lie, and that at some point in this world, black people did not exist. And I can prove it to you. God created Adam and Eve, two people. Right now, there are over 8 billion people on this earth. So I believe it's very simple. As the world became larger, some people migrated from wherever the spot of creation was down to other parts of the world, and some people came into Africa. And I strongly believe that the people who came into Africa were very small amounts of people, and the ones who remain in Europe and other parts of the world are in larger groups. And I also believe that this